Hello students, welcome to Excel Maths. So we have a question over here where we have to find the equation of a line perpendicular to the given line. So the given line is this, y equals 2x plus 3, and the perpendicular line passes through this point. Okay, so that's very clear that we have an equation given to us. So if I just quickly draw to show you, so if I say this is a line which is given to us, and what the equation is y equals 2x plus 3. Okay, now we have to find out the equation of a line which is perpendicular to this. Say for example, perpendicular, that means 90 degrees, right? Okay, and it passes through, obviously, see, it's passing through a point over here. If I just show you with this green color, can you not see that? Maybe the red color. Okay, so the blue line passes through a point which is on the given line only, and that point is nothing but 1, 4. It's very clear. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the equation of this blue line. That is it. Because this blue line is nothing but the straight line. So the equation of the line would be in the form y equals mx plus c. Because this is nothing but the equation of a straight line. Okay, what's given to us? We have the equation of black line given to us. That is 2x plus 3, y equals 2x plus 3. So let's quickly find out the slope or the gradient of the given line. How to find out the gradient of the given line? When the line is given to you, the gradient is nothing but the coefficient of x. So the gradient, we can say m is 2 here. What would be the gradient of the blue line? They both are perpendicular. So when two lines are perpendicular, their gradients are connected. The gradients are negative reciprocal of each other. So what is negative reciprocal? What did I say? Negative reciprocal. It could be a quick connect. So if I say 2/3, its negative would be negative, obviously, because it's a positive value, and reciprocal would be 3/2. So what we do, reciprocal meaning flipping, and negative meaning changing the sign. If it's positive, it changes to negative, and if it's negative, it changes to positive. Similarly, if I say 5, what the negative reciprocal of 5 would be? It's positive, so its negative would be minus, and its reciprocal would be 1/5. Why? Because every whole has a bottom as 1. So just flip it. Correct? So here, the gradient of this line would be a -1/2, if that makes sense. Right. Now, what the second thing we need first is done. So we were needing m, and the second is c. So we need to find out the y-intercept. To find out the y-intercept, actually we have this value given to us. What is that? That's the coordinate of a point. Okay, so what we're going to be doing, we would be substituting what all we have in here. So the coordinates of point, it is like the value of x and y. What we're going to do, we would plug it here. We know y is 4, m is a -1/2, x is 4, x is 1, and we have to find out the value of c. So let's plug in here. So y is 4. How do we know y is 4? Because this point is given to us, no? Here, we have a point given. M is a -1/2. We already found it. Negative reciprocal of a given line. And now x, what the value of x is? X is 1. Okay, plus c. Let's find out the value of c here. Okay, so 4, this is 4, huh? Don't get confused with y. 4 is a -1/2 plus c. Just solve it for c. So the c is going to be 4 plus half. That's nothing but 9/2. Okay, or you can say 4.5. Finally, we have the value of c as well. So initially we were having m, that was half, and now we found c, that is 9/2. So shall we write the final equation? So the equation is just to plug the values in here. So the final equation is going to be y equals a -1/2 x plus 9/2. And that's what your answer is. Hope that makes sense. Thanks a lot.